We are looking at how to pronounce this irregular verb, the base verb to go, the three different forms. We'll be looking at how to say all the other most commonly irregular verbs most commonly used in English. Stay tuned. To go, the past tense or past simple is pronounced as went, as in I went to the bakery yesterday. Went. The participle is pronounced as gone, gone, as in he was gone when I arrived, gone. Overall, the three forms of the verb to go, went, gone, go, went, gone. And now you know. Here are the videos for you to practice and learn all the most commonly used irregular verbs in English. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.